And welcome back. So quick look at the danger 240 volt mains power supply door holder. So these are nowhere near as popular as the low voltage counterparts. We actually tend to sell a lot of these where people are replacing existing 240 volt units. There's obviously, you need to be very careful with these. You know, competent and qualified electrical contractor, as opposed to your enthusiastic DIYer, because when you open these, if it's an existing unit and you open it, inside here is your live and neutral connected to your door holder. So if you're installing this, you're bringing your mains into it through your cable entry point here in the top. You obviously have your push button if you decide you want to use it. This gets fitted out through the hole, and this nut goes on it to hold it all in place. So it's all there for your push button if you want it, the usual retainer plate that goes on your door, and then these two units meet. So, you know, we have them. It's there. People don't tend to go too much for the mains voltage ones at this stage, just because the lower voltage is a bit safer. But they're there. We have them if you're looking for them. They're available on the site. Thanks.